Who is this?
This is a dog. The dog is very friendly and likes to play with children.
Who is this?
This is a cat. The cat sleeps on the sofa during the day.
Who is this?
This is a cow. The cow gives us fresh milk every morning.
Who is this?
This is a horse. The horse runs very fast in the open field.
Who is this?
This is a lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle.
Who is this?
This is a tiger. The tiger has black stripes on its body.
Who is this?
This is an elephant. The elephant has a long trunk and big ears.
Who is this?
This is a monkey. The monkey climbs trees and eats bananas.
Who is this?
This is a rabbit. The rabbit likes to eat carrots and grass.
Who is this?
This is a deer. The deer runs quickly in the forest.
Who is this?
This is a goat. The goat eats leaves and small plants.
Who is this?
This is a sheep. The sheep gives us wool for clothes.
Who is this?
This is a camel. The camel can live in the desert for many days.
Who is this?
This is a bear. The bear sleeps for a long time in winter.
Who is this?
This is a fox. The fox is very clever and fast.
Who is this?
This is a wolf. The wolf lives and hunts in groups.
Who is this?
This is a giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck.
Who is this?
This is a zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes.
Who is this?
This is a panda. The panda loves to eat bamboo.
Who is this?
This is a kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps using its strong legs.
Who is this?
This is a shark. The shark is a strong fish that lives in the sea.
Who is this?
This is a whale. The whale is the biggest animal in the world.
Who is this?
This is a dolphin. The dolphin is very intelligent and friendly.
Who is this?
This is an octopus. The octopus has 8 long arms.
Who is this?
This is a jellyfish. The jellyfish moves slowly in the water.
Who is this?
This is a crab. The crab walks sideways on the sand.
Who is this?
This is a lobster. The lobster has strong claws.
Who is this?
This is a turtle. The turtle has a hard shell to protect its body.
Who is this?
This is a seal. The seal loves cold water and fish.
Who is this?
This is a stingray. The stingray swims close to the ocean floor.
Who is this?
This is an eel. The eel has a long and slippery body.
Who is this?
This is a squid. The squid can release ink to escape.
Who is this?
This is a sea urchin. The sea urchin has sharp spines on its body. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning with English Minded, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Keep practicing every day, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson.